You guys think I'm joking when I say that this is my life. This is my life.
Yeah, right. It's still gonna be your life after.
It looks pretty good right
Babe,
now.
hurry and go to
Natural.
because you have to be back before the roads are closed.
Work is canceled tomorrow. Excuse me, 9 to 5. It's canceled tomorrow. Boom, we're supposed to get another nor'easter, kid.
Blizzard.
Blizzard conditions. Zero visibility out there.
1 to
You gotta
3
be.
inches an hour.
You gotta be inside, and you gotta go shovel your driveways. All right, so I'm gonna go bang out a gym session before we're supposed to be off the roads. It's not supposed to start snowing till like midnight or something, but they want the roads to be clear at like 7. So without further ado, let's do this.
One more time. One more. Stop doing that. You're gonna break your camera.
What up? Good morning. Currently, this nor'easter is wreaking havoc. I'm gonna show you guys this, but it's gonna do it justice. Can't even see. It's currently 11 a.m. It's supposed to snow until like the wee hours of tomorrow morning. Supposed to get almost 2 feet of snow. So I hope everyone's staying safe. I'm gonna get some coffee. The Shwee's gonna join me, I hope. My little Shwee baby. Look at little Shwee baby.
Morning.
Snowed in together. Chilling. Slept in. Woke up like a couple hours ago and I was like editing. We still have power. Knock on wood. But when I got up, I went to the bathroom and the lights were on and they flickered. Because not only is it snowing and there's like zero visibility out there, the winds, I don't know if you can hear them, but the winds are like 60 miles an hour again. So, again, I hope everyone's staying safe and warm and cozy like we are. And I think it's coffee time. Let's go.
Guys are shoveling outside. I'm not opening the door for the vlog, sorry. You just fell down the stairs. Ooh. Sean.
No way.
And I got it on the vlog. I didn't even know. Sweet. I have a headache. Okay. Woohoo!
So glad you got that.
Yeah.
Where's Puppy?
The other side.
You sure he's okay for Harry?
Hopefully. Ooh. Ah, hee, ha. Meanwhile, me, Diego, and Mommy Having some coffee. Watching flip this house. I mean, and Sean said the same thing when he put the light on. I know I won't.
Option 2 is your master bath. We can do a complete lighting effect.
As you can see, that's my father. Puppy.
I go to Am I? Yeah, it's almost 2.
Is that right? Almost 2 already?
Yeah, 1:40. Round 1 of shoveling is done. Gonna have to go out later because it's supposed to snow like through the night or up until the night or whatever. Hashtag active rest day. Gonna get some food in our bellies, I think. Smells amazing. And the Shwee hooking me up with the ham, egg, lettuce sandwich. Just finished round 2 of shoveling. Still coming down hard. Ish. Fast more. It's like almost 8 o'clock.
Huh? Okay, drama.
My baby made me some hot cocoa. What's up, y'all? Just checking in. Was our late day today? When I say it was our, I mean Lily and I. She's only got a week left, guys. 1 week left. 7, make it 6 now. 6 work days. Couldn't be more happier for her. Couldn't be more excited for her because she deserves everything that's coming her way.
Thank you, babe.
You're welcome. So I think we're gonna veg out a little bit, watch some TV. We just read for a good solid 10 minutes. It's good to just pick up a book and, you know, feed the brain, feed your mind, get it working. Personal development books are amazing, guys. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. You Were Born Rich by Bob Proctor. Mind Gym, I forget who the author was, but I read that back in high school. There's a book called Combinations by Ed Garrity. That was the very first personal development book I read, and I didn't even realize it. That was back in the 9th grade. And it was like you're, you know, you write in it. It was like an activity book. So that really got the juices flowing before I even realized it. Any book by Tony Robbins, Unlimited Power, Awaken the Giant Within. I've read both of those. I've read a couple books by Russell Simmons. I've read a lot of freaking books. Wow. And this is just all nonfiction stuff. But read, guys. Feed your mind, feed your brain. Grow. Never stop growing. If you're not growing, you're dying. Grow. 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 What is up, world? It's Friday. Tomorrow's St. Patrick's Day. Not that it's a big deal or anything. We're gonna go get my taxes done tomorrow, finally. Right now, Lily's just cooking up some meat and potatoes, some sweet potatoes, some stir fry, like a spring mix of veggies, and some fish. The great chef that she is, and we're just gonna chill. We were just talking about, you know, our goals a little earlier. Oh yeah, work. For me anyway, I'm doing like the typical millennial thing, like I want it all yesterday. And I'm getting impatient, and it's so hard, but I gotta, you know, sit back and like think like the game that we're in is a get rich long game, you know. You gotta put things in perspective. It's not gonna happen overnight. Doesn't matter what, unless you hit the lottery, nothing's gonna happen overnight. Other people might have the means to do it faster than you, or quicker than you, or catch a break before you do. And I'm guilty of this, but you know, you can't compare yourself to other people because everyone's situation is unique and different. So just think big picture, remember why you started your goal, and just keep the end game in mind. Begin with the end in mind, and you will win. So with that being said, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Please subscribe if you have not. I wanna know what some of your goals are, so leave me a comment down below and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next one, guys.